Have you ever wondered how to elevate your consciousness and unlock your true potential? Many of us go through life feeling disconnected, unfulfilled, and constantly searching for something more. The path to a more meaningful and enriched life begins with increasing our consciousness. In this video, we will explore practical and powerful ways to raise your consciousness, helping you to achieve mental clarity, emotional balance, and a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. Join me as we delve into the steps you can take to elevate your consciousness and live a more vibrant, awakened life. Before we dive into the methods of increasing consciousness, it's essential to understand what consciousness is. Consciousness can be thought of as our awareness of ourselves and our environment. It encompasses our thoughts, feelings, perceptions, and the sense of being. Consciousness is a spectrum, ranging from basic awareness to higher states of consciousness, where one experiences a profound sense of unity, clarity, and insight. At its most fundamental level, consciousness is the state of being awake and aware of one's surroundings. As we move up the spectrum, we encounter higher levels of consciousness characterized by increased awareness, mindfulness, and spiritual insight. These higher states of consciousness allow us to perceive the interconnectedness of all life and tap into deeper wisdom and understanding. Elevating your consciousness brings a multitude of benefits. One of the most significant advantages is mental clarity. When we operate from a higher state of consciousness, our minds become clearer and our thoughts more focused. This mental clarity allows us to make better decisions and approach challenges with a calm and rational mindset. Emotional balance is another key benefit. As our consciousness expands, we become more in tune with our emotions and better equipped to manage them. This leads to a greater sense of inner peace and stability, reducing stress and anxiety. Higher consciousness also enhances our overall well-being. When we are more aware and mindful, we can appreciate life's moments fully, leading to increased happiness and satisfaction. Our relationships improve as we become more compassionate and understanding towards others. One of the most effective practices for increasing consciousness is mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, aware of our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. It involves paying attention to what is happening right now, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. To begin practicing mindfulness, start with simple exercises such as focusing on your breath. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and then slowly exhale. Pay attention to the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. This practice helps anchor you in the present moment and cultivates a sense of calm and clarity. Another mindfulness exercise is body scan meditation. This involves paying attention to different parts of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Notice any sensations, tension, or discomfort in each area and release any tension as you breathe out. This practice helps you connect with your body and brings your awareness to the present moment. Meditation is another powerful tool for elevating consciousness. It involves focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. Regular meditation practice can lead to profound changes in consciousness, allowing you to experience deeper levels of awareness and insight. To start meditating, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax. Choose a focal point for your meditation, such as your breath, a mantra, or a visualization. If you choose to focus on your breath, simply observe the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to control it. If you prefer a mantra, silently repeat a word or phrase that resonates with you, such as peace or love. For visualization, imagine a peaceful scene or a symbol that has meaning for you. As you meditate, it's normal for your mind to wander. When this happens, gently bring your focus back to your chosen point of concentration. With regular practice, meditation helps quiet the mind, reduce stress, and increase awareness, paving the way for higher states of consciousness. Silence and solitude play crucial roles in elevating consciousness. In our fast-paced world, finding moments of quiet can be challenging, but it is essential for self-reflection and gaining deeper insights. Spending time alone in silence allows us to disconnect from external distractions and connect with our inner selves. Create a regular practice of spending time in silence, whether it's a few minutes each day or longer periods on weekends. Use this time for contemplation, meditation, or simply being present with your thoughts. As you embrace silence, you'll find that your mind begins to quiet, and you can hear your inner voice more clearly. Solitude also provides an opportunity for self-discovery. Without the influence of others, you can explore your true thoughts, feelings, and desires. This self-awareness is a critical component of higher consciousness, as it helps you understand yourself on a deeper level. Nature has a unique ability to elevate consciousness. Spending time outdoors, surrounded by the beauty and tranquility of the natural world, can help you reconnect with your true essence and gain a greater appreciation for life. Make it a habit to spend time in nature regularly. Whether it's walking in the park, hiking in the mountains, or simply sitting by a river, allow yourself to be fully present in these moments. Pay attention to the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Feel the ground beneath your feet and the breeze on your skin. This connection with nature brings a sense of peace and harmony, enhancing your awareness and raising your consciousness. Nature also teaches us valuable lessons about life and interconnectedness. Observing the cycles of nature, such as the changing seasons or the growth of plants, can remind us of the natural rhythms of life and our place within the larger universe. Gratitude is a powerful practice for increasing consciousness. When we focus on the things we are thankful for, we shift our perspective and open ourselves to greater positivity and abundance. Gratitude helps us appreciate the present moment and recognize the many blessings in our lives. To cultivate gratitude, start by keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. These can be simple things, like a beautiful sunset, a kind gesture from a friend, or a delicious meal. As you reflect on these moments of gratitude, you'll begin to notice more positive aspects of your life and feel a deeper sense of contentment. Another way to practice gratitude is to express it to others. Take the time to thank the people in your life for their support, kindness, and love. Let them know how much they mean to you. This not only strengthens your relationships, but also reinforces your sense of connection and awareness. Continuous learning and seeking knowledge are essential for elevating consciousness. When we expand our minds through new information and experiences, we gain a broader perspective and deeper understanding of ourselves and the world. Make a commitment to lifelong learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, or attend seminars on topics that interest you, especially those related to personal and spiritual growth. Explore different philosophies, cultures, and practices to broaden your horizons. Engage in discussions with others who share your interests. Sharing ideas and experiences with like-minded individuals can provide new insights and inspire you to continue your journey of growth. As you seek knowledge and learn, you'll find that your consciousness expands, allowing you to navigate life with greater wisdom and awareness. The environment and people around us significantly impact our consciousness. To elevate your consciousness, it's essential to create a positive, uplifting space and surround yourself with supportive, like-minded individuals. Start by decluttering your physical space. A clean, organized environment promotes a sense of calm and clarity. Add elements that bring you joy and inspiration, such as plants, artwork, or meaningful objects. Choose your company wisely. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you, those who encourage your growth and share your values. Avoid negative influences that drain your energy or bring you down. Remember, the energy you surround yourself with affects your thoughts, emotions, and overall consciousness. Engage in activities that promote positive energy, such as practicing gratitude, meditating, or engaging in creative pursuits. These activities help raise your vibration and create a more harmonious and elevated state of consciousness. Self-love and compassion are fundamental to raising consciousness. When we treat ourselves with kindness and understanding, we create a solid foundation for personal and spiritual growth. Start by acknowledging your worth and recognizing that you deserve love and respect. Practice self-care regularly, whether it's through physical activities like exercise and healthy eating, or mental practices like meditation and affirmations. Use affirmations to reinforce positive beliefs about yourself. Repeat phrases such as, "I am worthy," "I am enough," and "I am deserving of love and happiness." These affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind and foster a sense of self-worth. Cultivate compassion towards yourself by being gentle and forgiving. Acknowledge your mistakes and imperfections without judgment, and learn from them. This self-compassion allows you to grow and evolve without the burden of self-criticism. Raising consciousness involves taking action and making conscious choices in our daily lives. Every decision we make impacts our level of awareness and shapes our reality. Start by being mindful of your thoughts and actions. Pay attention to the choices you make and their consequences. Choose actions that align with your values and contribute to your growth. Set intentions for your day. Begin each morning with a clear intention of how you want to show up in the world. This helps guide your actions and keeps you focused on your goals. Practice conscious living by being present in each moment. Whether you're eating, working, or spending time with loved ones, fully engage in the activity at hand. This mindful approach enhances your awareness and deepens your connection to life. As you take conscious action, you'll notice positive changes in your life. Your relationships will improve, your sense of purpose will strengthen, and your overall well-being will flourish. Increasing your consciousness is a journey that requires dedication, mindfulness, and a commitment to personal growth. By practicing mindfulness, meditation, and self-reflection, connecting with nature, cultivating gratitude, seeking knowledge, surrounding yourself with positive energy, practicing self-love and compassion, and making conscious choices, you can elevate your consciousness and unlock your true potential. Remember, the journey to higher consciousness begins with a single step: Start incorporating these practices into your daily life and watch as your awareness expands and your life transforms. The path to a more vibrant, awakened life is within your reach. Take that first step today and embrace the possibilities that await. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to embark on your journey to higher consciousness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal and spiritual growth. Together, we can elevate our consciousness and create a better world for ourselves and others.